Bring some of the gold standard home to your workshop with the Powermatic PM1000 cabinet table saw. The PM1000 is wired for 115-volt usage and runs off a 1 3/4 horsepower motor with a poly V-belt that reduces vibration and maximizes motor efficiency. Not to mention its superior dust collection power. Feel at ease when it comes to accuracy with Powermatic's exclusive 30-inch AccuFence system that gives you the workspace and stability that you need. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to perform crosscuts. Crosscutting is where the workpiece is fed cross-grain into the saw blade, using the miter gauge to support and position the workpiece. Be sure to refer to your product manual for helpful tips for your cross-cutting projects. Install the fence guard and set the angle to 0 for the crosscut. Adjust the blade height appropriately for the work you're performing. Then position your workpiece on the table. Turn on the power to the table saw and the power to the dust collector. Begin to run your piece through the saw using slow movement and consistent pressure. Use the miter gauge to assist with pushing the piece through. When the cut has been completed, turn the saw and dust collector power off. Learn more about the Powermatic PM1000 table saw on our website. And don't forget that your tool comes with an industry-leading warranty. If you need any service or repair, one of our authorized Powermatic service centers can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.